How to delete apps from App Library on iPhone with Parental Controls. If you manage the iPhone or have the screen time passcode, here's how to check the setting. First, unlock your iPhone and swipe left until you reach the App Library. Find the app you want to remove. You can scroll through the categories or use the search bar at the top. Now, tap and hold the app icon. If you see Delete App, tap it, and then confirm by tapping Delete again. But if the Delete App option doesn't appear, you may need to check your screen time restrictions. Go to Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Screen Time. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If prompted, enter the screen time passcode. Now, look for App Store, Media, Web and Games, or iTunes and App Store purchases, depending on your iOS version, and tap on it. Find the option for Deleting Apps and make sure it's set to Allow. Once you've changed this setting, go back to the App Library and tap and hold the app you want to remove. You should now see Delete App. Tap it, then confirm by selecting Delete again. And that's it. The app will be removed from your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips and tutorials.